Hello everyone, I am Savina. Today I'm going to explain the practical number 9. This MATLAB program demonstrates uh, how direct memory access works. DMA allows data transfer between an input device and memory without continuous CPU involvement. First step, CLC. We know CLC clear the command windows and remove all the previous data. This ensure a fresh data freshly program will start. And second step, initialize memory. Create a memory array with 20 location along initialize 0. Third step, you're gonna see about generate 5 random values between 1 and 99. This stimulate data coming from an input devices. And fourth, display initial memory. Display the memory before transfer. All the values will be 0. And CPU status. Show that the CPU is not involved in the transfer. And DMA control DMA controller takes control. DMA transfer data directly to memory location 1 to 5. This is the core concept. DMA direct transfer without CPU. And display updated memory. Show memory after transfer. First file location contain new data, rest remain 0. Then display the original data from the device, confirms correct transfer. And finally, completion message. Final message confirming DMA operation success. This program clearly show how a DMA improves system performance by allowing direct data transfer between direct and memory, device and memory, while the CPU remain free to perform the task. Thank you.